This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022-23 Leaf Autograph Jersey Basketball 2-box. eBay break, July 12th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got EGBU-49 with the Raptors. STMI3166-FUZLKXMN with the Bucks. Tomahawk Kid with the Wizards and the Hornets. Sherman 105 with the Celtics, Nuggets, Clippers, Heat, and the Suns. Travis 014 with the Trailblazers, Pistons, and the Jazz. Headout-77 with the Nets, Rockets, Timberwolves, Pelicans, and the 76ers. Tony Jones 74 with the Lakers, Cavaliers, and the Magic. Antfran-7773 with the Pacers, Grizzlies, and the Thunder. MOONBEAMG-17 with the Spurs. AK Ghostface with the Kings. MIKESWO-22 with the Knicks. NIBRAN_27 with the Hawks. PHOT_5086 with the Warriors. DANVLLNV-0 with the Bulls and the Mavericks. That is your full lineup. Okay. 2 boxes. Leaf 2022-23 autograph jersey basketball. Let's get our first box open. Plastic coming off. Autograph jersey box number 1. All right, here we go, guys. Cracking the seal. Your first autograph jersey. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. JSA COA. Let me slide that out of the way a little bit right there. There's your auto right there. Beautiful Elvin Hayes. Elvin Hayes autograph jersey. Very nice. Elvin Hayes autograph jersey. It's a beautiful looking Elvin Hayes there. What do we got here? That should be his Rockets autograph jersey. Double checking here. Yeah, that is his Rockets autograph jersey. The Rockets. Headout-77. Congrats. Very nice. Elvin Hayes autograph jersey. Very nice. His Rockets autograph jersey. Very nice. Elvin Hayes there. The Rockets on the board. Rockets strike first. All right. Autograph jersey box number 2. Plastic coming off. And crack into the seal. All right, guys, here we go. Autograph jersey number 2. Good luck, everybody. We've got auto there. Ooh, Hall of Fame 1987 inscription and an NBA Top 50 inscription. Rick Barry. That is gorgeous. Love them 2 inscriptions. Hall of Fame 1987, NBA Top 50. Oh, look at the jersey. It's got the picture on him with him shooting a free throw. That's a beautiful jersey there. Rick Barry. 2 inscriptions. 2 inscriptions and the picture of him on there as well. That's a beautiful looking jersey there. And that will be going to the Warriors. Your Warriors owned by PHOT_5086. Congrats. Very nice. Rick Barry. 2 inscriptions. The Hall of Fame inscription and the NBA Top 50 inscription. And also has his actual picture on there too. Beautiful jersey. The Warriors. Rick Barry. Okay, we had your Rick Barry for the Warriors. Beautiful autograph jersey there. And we started with your first autograph jersey was Mr. Elvin Hayes. Very nice. Elvin Hayes autograph jersey. That is going to the Rockets. The Rockets. 2 beautiful autograph jerseys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640. on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We still have 2 more breaks coming up tonight. Once again, we do have breaks filling on the website. We do have a break filling on here that is breaking this Friday, so don't miss out on those. We also got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night, all throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend. Thank you so much again for your support, everybody. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.